Hello everyone! In this video, we explore what Asian regionalism and how ASEAN promotes integration and cooperation among the member of countries. So let's begin. Our topic is Understanding Asian Regionalism and ASEAN Integration presented by Canuel and Palmiano.
What is Asian regionalism? Asian regionalism refers to collaboration among Asian countries to work together on economic, political, cultural, and security issues. It is about building partnerships and strengthening relations to achieve peace, stability, and prosperity. Example, countries sharing resources, technology, and policies to grow together. Importance of Asian regionalism strengthens economies through trade agreements and business cooperation. Promotes peace and security by encouraging dialogue and resolving conflicts. Encourage cultural understanding and exchange, promoting unity despite diversity. Helps countries respond better to regional challenges like disasters and pandemics. Examples of Asian regionalism. Number 1. APEC, Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, encourage free trade and investment in the Asia-Pacific. Number 2. Belt and Road Initiative, BIR, infrastructure and connectivity project led by China connecting Asian countries.
What is ASEAN? ASEAN stands for Association Southeast Asian Nation and also composed of 10 member countries like Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Singapore, Brunei, Myanmar, Laos, and Cambodia. And also, ASEAN is promote peace, stability, economic growth, and regional cooperation. So, na-define na natin kung what is the ASEAN. So now, how ASEAN promote integration? ASEAN promote integration by encouraging operation in different areas like economic cooperation, education, tourism, and security, and culture. Sa economic cooperation naman, is trade agreement, reduced tariff, and easier to business and investment. Sa education is student exchange scholarship and research collaboration. And also sa tourism is easier to travel and visa policy boosting regionalism tourism. And also sa security, collaboration in disaster response, counter-terrorism, and maritime safety. And last is culture. Culture promote cultural exchange through festival, sea games, and heritage program. Sample of ASEAN integration. ASEAN Free Trade Area, ASEAN Connectivity, Sea Games, at Mutual Recognition Agreement. Sa Asia Free Trade Area, nag-offer siya ng low tariff and promote free trade among the member of state. Sa ASEAN Connectivity naman, physical road or bridges, institution, and digital links across the Southeast Asia. At sa SEA Games naman, sport events is promoting unity in cultural exchange. At ang panghuli ay Mutual Recognition Agreement. Dito naman is nakalagay yung mga skill and qualification recognition across the ASEAN countries.
Ngayon, tapos na natin malaman ang examples of Asian integration. Ang aalamin naman natin is why Asian integration matters. First, it creates more job opportunities and facilitates trade. Second, It improves education access through scholarships and student exchange. The third one is it strengthens regional unity and collaboration. Last, it's enhanced safety and security during natural disasters or emergencies.
Ngayon, natalakay natin ang iba't ibang klase ng ASEAN. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa conclusion. Basta ang Asia regionalism build bridge between countries for mutual growth. ASEAN naman is demonstrate how regional cooperation lead to the economic, cultural, and social benefits. By working together, Southeast Asia countries can achieve shared prosperity, peace, and unity. So, let's go continue to support ASEAN integration for strong and connection to region.
At dito na nagtatapos ang aming presentation. Salamat po!